Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Subin. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic which is hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids or piles is a medical condition. As you all know, it's a very important medical condition. The study reveals that above 50 years old people, about 50% to 60% people are suffering with hemorrhoids or piles. So the problem with the piles is it is a medical condition where the illegal or non-medical people or illegal quacks people are utilizing, and they are treating in a unscientific way maximum of this type of piles or hemorrhoids, because people are thinking that this is a secret disease, and they are not ready to reveal the disease about their relatives or friends. That kind of a disease it is, because people are thinking that it is a very shameful disease, so that the maximum quacks are utilizing this particular disease for a long time. So you should know about the piles and the importance of this particular disease. The piles or hemorrhoids is nothing but it is a swelling or swollen part of our anal cushion. Our anal cushion is a protective area of our anal verge or anal canal, which is protecting from the leakage of the fecal matter, or whenever we are defecating, this particular anal cushion is protecting us for the bleeding or any other problems. So whenever there is this anal cushion is getting swollen up or become diseased, the condition is known as piles or hemorrhoids. Basically there are two types of piles: internal piles and external piles. Whenever there is an internal piles, you will get bright blood bleeding without pain. That is important. Bright blood bleeding without pain. And whenever there is an external piles, you will feel pain, itching or irritation whenever you are defecating. These are the main difference between internal and external piles. So why this inflammation or swelling is taking place of the anal cushion? That is an important question. So the basic reason is the problem with our digestive power or our digestion. So whenever there is an impairment in our digestion, that will leads to constipation or diarrhea. So these are the basic reason for the formation of piles. Apart from this, there are a lot of other reasons. Genetic reason is the whenever there is a the patient is vulnerable to get piles. There is genetic is the hereditary is the father and mother is or grandfather is suffering with the piles. The children's or other members of the family also are vulnerable to get piles. There is hereditary is also there. And another reason is continuous sitting job, and another reason is continuous sitting in the toilet, long time sitting in the toilet, pregnancy because of the intra-abdominal pressure caused by the fetus, and other diseases or also systemic diseases also may lead to piles. But the basic reason, as I told, the impairment of the digestion or digestive power. So because of this constipation, what we will do, we will give more pressure to the anal area, and gradually what happens, the anal verge or the anal cushion will swollen up and it will leads to piles. So these piles will produce lot of trouble or lot of problem for an individual. It will leads to severe bleeding, severe pain while defecating, severe itching, severe discomfort while sitting and all. So a lot of other problems also will come with the piles. So mental irritation will come, angry will come. You can see a piles patient, they won't be cool. They will be always angry, feeling like that. That you can see in among the people, those who are suffering with. In Ayurveda, the piles is told as arshas. It is mentioned as arshas. Arivat pranino mamsa kilaga vishasandyat arshamsi tasmad ubajayade Gudha Nirodhada. That is the sloga which is told about arshas in Ashtanga Hridaya. So Arivat Pranino Mamsa Kilagaha. Arivat Pranino means which is acting like a enemy on our body. So this arches, whenever this piles is forming in our body, it will act like an enemy, our own enemy, which is continuously disturbing us. And this mamsakilaga, this growth will, what you say, completely, it will block our, what you say, guda marga, that is our anal verge, or our anal canal, or the anus. So it will block our anus, and we will feel difficulty in passing the stool. That is the explanation which is basically given in Ayurveda. So we can see lot of explanation about arches in Ayurveda. This is a big chapter in our textbook. It is mentioned about various causes and what is the treatment we have to do. There are a lot of things, what food we have to take. I will just 5 minutes I will tell you the basic what you say food changes, what we have to do in our what you say daily regimen food. So the basically we have to take a very digestive food which is comfortable for us. It should digest, it should get digest very, what you say, you can take more fiber food, what you say, more vegetables and fruits you can include in your food. If you are more prone to get piles or the starting stage of piles, you can include more fiber rich food. And do regular exercise, walking or running, you can do regular exercise. The lifestyle changes is very important. Apart from that, we can see 3 particular foodstuffs which are very useful for the piles. The number 1 is buttermilk. If you are using buttermilk regularly, it will definitely reduces the symptoms of piles, and if there is a chance of developing piles also, it will destroy, it will reduce. So you can consult an Ayurvedic doctor and you can take opinion from that. There are a lot of medicated buttermilk is mentioned in Ayurveda. Otherwise plain buttermilk also you can use regularly. Next one is elephant yam food. Elephant yam food is Malayalam it is called as chena. That is also a very good what you say food or vegetable you can use regularly to prevent or to protect the piles. The next one is shallot. Shallot means sambar onion or small onion, cherry in Malayalam. That also you can regularly use. So these 3 particular food you can include regularly in your what you say daily food. It will definitely it will reduces the symptoms of piles, and if you are having piles also you can regularly use along with any other treatment. Another thing is you should not go to the quack physician or unqualified medicos if you are suffering with piles. You should go to a qualified medical doctor, either it is allopathy or Ayurveda, that is your wish, but you should go to a qualified doctor only, because this type of symptoms also can be seen in other diseases also. So some growth or bleeding or other things we have to find out correctly. We have to find out it is hemorrhoid or it is other diseases. There are various investigations we have to do, diagnostic methods like sigmoidoscopy, colonoscopy. There are a lot of proctoscopy. There are a lot of methods are there. So the qualified doctors investigation or diagnosis is very important for this type of anorectal diseases, because we are getting lot of patients with anorectal diseases. Sometimes it will be another other problems other than piles. Anorectal cancers are there, abscess is there, TB is there. So there are a lot of other what you say medical problems are there. So this is the information I am passing. If you are if you like our channel, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends and relatives. Thank you very much.